Hello students, today we start our next lesson, lesson number 8 of class 4. So let's start lesson number 8, multiples and factor. In this lesson we discuss about multiples and factor. So first of all, we learn about the multiples. What is meant by multiples? The number occur in a table of number are called as the multiple. Look at this. 3 counted 1 times. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 counted 2 times. 3 twos are 6. 3 counted 3 times. 3 threes are 9. 3 counted 4 times. 4 into 3, 12. So these 3, 6, 9 and 12 are the multiple of 3 because we find the product of 3 with the counting number. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the counting numbers. So for finding the multiple of number, we product the number with the counting number. So we will get the multiple of that number. So this is called as the multiple. The product of counting number is multiple of the numbers. Counting number के साथ किसी number का अगर product करते हैं, so we will get the multiple of that number. Multiple of a number is divisible by the number. जो भी multiple होते हैं वो उस number से divisible होते हैं. Suppose 4 is the multiple of 2. So 4 is also divisible by 2. That's why we call 4 as a multiple of 2. A number is a multiple of itself. Number खुद के ही multiple होते हैं. All the number are multiples of 1. सारे number 1 के multiple होते हैं. So those are the some properties of the multiple. Next is the common multiple. In this topic we learn about how to find the common multiple of the numbers. Here are the two tables here. That is, this is the table of 2. We also call this multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This is the table of 2 or multiples of 2. Then first in multiples of 3. We called it the table of 3 or the multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Those are the table of 2 and table of 3. Here some numbers are joined. So 6 is occur in the both table. 12 is occur in a both table. 18 is also occur in the both table. So those 6, 12 and 18 are the common multiple of 2 and 3. 6, 12 and 18 are the multiples of both 2 and 3. They are common multiple of 2 and 3. So 6, 12 and 18 are the common multiple of 2 and 3. In this way we find the common multiple of the numbers. Next topic is even and odd number. Number that leave no remainder or being divisible by 2. ऐसे नंबर जो कोई भी रिमाइंडर नहीं लीव करते और डिविजिबल होते हैं 2 से, सो इन दैट केस वी कॉल्ड इट द इवन नंबर. You can say that number that are multiple of 2 are even number. 2 के जो भी multiple होते हैं all are the even number. So 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even one digit number. ये सारे one digit के even number है. 2 या 3 digit में if the ones place digit is even, then the number is the even. So those are some examples of even number. Next is odd number. Number that are not multiple of 2, or we can see that द नंबर आर नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 2, ऐसे नंबर जो 2 के मल्टीपल नहीं है या 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है, सो वी कॉल दैट नंबर एज अ ऑड नंबर. Number that are not even are odd, or we called it like the number that are not even means ऐसे नंबर जो even नहीं है, we called it odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd one digit number. ये सारे one digit odd number है, they are called odd digit, इन्हें odd digit बोला जाता है. And those are the example of द ऑड नंबर. अगर ये जो सिंगल डिजिट ऑड नंबर है, सो इफ दिस नंबर आर एट द एंड ऑफ एनी नंबर, सो दोज नंबर आर ऑल्सो ऑड नंबर. एंड इवन नंबर हैज एन इवन डिजिट एट वंस प्लेस, मीन्स इवन नंबर में जो इवन डिजिट है वो वंस प्लेस पे होते हैं. एंड ऑड नंबर हैज एन ऑड डिजिट एट द वंस प्लेस, और ऑड नंबर में ऑड प्लेस पे ऑड डिजिट होते हैं, सॉरी इवन वंस प्लेस पे ऑड डिजिट होते हैं. सो दोज आर द इवन नंबर एंड ऑड नंबर. आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज फैक्टर. द रिजल्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ अ नंबर इज कॉल्ड प्रोडक्ट. मल्टीप्लीकेशन का जो आंसर होता है वी कॉल्ड इट द प्रोडक्ट. एंड द नंबर आर कॉल्ड एज द फैक्टर, और जो नंबर्स होते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं फैक्टर. सो इन दिस एग्जाम्पल 5 and 6 आर द फैक्टर ऑफ 30 and 30 is the multiple of 5 and 6. See this example, look at this example. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. Here 8 and 9 are the factor of 72. 8 and 9 are factor of 72. 72 is a multiple of 8 and 9. 72 is a multiple of 8 and 9. And 72 is also divisible by 8 and 9. If 72 is a multiple of 8 and 9, so 72 is also divisible by 8 and 9. Means 72 अगर multiple है 8 और 9 का, so वो 8 और 9 से divide भी होगा completely. A number is a factor of itself, and 1 is the factor of every number. हर नंबर का कॉमन फैक्टर 1 होता है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डिविजिबिलिटी. अ नंबर इज सेड टू बी डिविजिबल बाय नंबर दैट डिवाइड इट विदाउट लिविंग अ रिमाइंडर. अगर कोई नंबर किसी को विदाउट लिविंग रिमाइंडर मीन्स विद द जीरो रिमाइंडर डिवाइड करता है, मीन्स कंप्लीटली फुल्ली डिवाइड करता है, इन दैट केस वी कॉल्ड इट डिविजिबल. So there are some divisible tests here. First test is divisibility by 2. It make easy to find which number are divisible by 2. All the even number are divisible by 2. जो सारे even number होते हैं वो 2 से divisible होते हैं because they are multiples of 2. क्योंकि वो 2 के multiple है, that's why they are divisible by 2. So test is a number is divisible by 2 if it is even. अगर even number है तो 2 से divisible रहेंगे. So ये है divisibility by 2. Next is divisibility by 10. All the multiples of 10 have 0 at the ones place. 10 के जो भी multiple होते हैं उनकी last place means ones place पे 0 होता है. So the number that end in 0 are divisible by 10. So this is the test of the divisibility by 10. Number that end in 0 are divisible by 10. अगर last digit 0 है, so those number are divisible by 10. Next is divisibility by 5. This is like the divisibility by 10. Quite like divisibility by 5. A look at the multiplication table of 5 will tell you that all multiples of 5 have either 0 or 5 at the ones place. So number that ends in 5 or 0 are divisible by 5. If the number have ones place digit as a 0 or 5, then those number are divisible by 5. इसी नंबर का यूनिट प्लेस या वंस प्लेस का जो डिजिट है अगर वो 5 या 0 होता है सो दैट नंबर इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो वो नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होगा. सो दिस इज द टेस्ट ऑफ divisibility test by 5. Next and last test is divisibility by 3. In this test we have to add all the digits of the number. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. अगर नंबर में जितने भी डिजिट है उन सब की सम जो है वो 3 से डिविजिबल है सो पूरा नंबर भी 3 से डिविजिबल रहेगा. सो दिस इज द टेस्ट ऑफ 3. सो दोज आर द 4 डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ 2, 10, 5 and 3. Our next topic is prime number. So what is mean by prime number? A number that is divisible only by itself and 1 is called as the prime number. Simply we called it self divisible number, means जो खुद से divisible होते हैं या 1 से divisible होते हैं, that number is called as the prime number. So self divisible number are called prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 are some prime numbers, means self divisible number. Next is composite number. The number other than the prime number are called composite number, means प्राइम नंबर को छोड़ के बाकी सारे नंबर जो कंपोजिट होते हैं. नंबर दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय नंबर अदर देन इटसेल्फ एंड 1, मीन्स खुद से और 1 के अलावा अगर किसी दूसरे नंबर से डिविजिबल है नंबर सो वी कॉल्ड इट द कंपोजिट नंबर. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 21, 35 are the sums example of the composite number. 0 and 1 are not composite number. 0 और 1 composite number नहीं है. Our next topic is prime factorization. Writing a number as a product of its factor is called factorization. अगर हम फैक्टर्स को प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं सो वी कॉल्ड इट फैक्टराइजेशन. इफ वी राइट द प्राइम नंबर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोडक्ट देन वी कॉल्ड इट प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. सो दिस इज द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 80. लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. दिस इज बाय द प्रोडक्ट मेथड. So here we find the factors of the 300. So 300 is equal to 3 into 100. When we find the product of 3 and 100, we will get 300. So here 3 is the prime number, but 100 is a composite number. So we have to find the factor of 100 again. So here those are the two factors, 2 into 50. We write 3 as it is, multiplication sign as it is, and then find the factor of 100, that is 2 into 50. So 2 is the prime number, so leave it and find the factor of 50. Okay, so write 2 into 3 into 2 as it is, then find the factor of 50, that is a 2 into 25. 25 2s are 50. So here we will get a prime number and a composite number. So again we find the factor of composite number. So write the prime factor as it is, 3 into 2 into 2, and find the factor of 25. So 5 is a 25. 5 into 5 is 25. So here we have all the prime factors, 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So those are the prime factorization of 300 by the multiplication method. This is multiplication method. We can also find the factor by the division method. So let's do the division method. Write the prime factorization of 56. We have to find the prime factor of 56. So we write in this way. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. So our first factor is 2. 56 is even number. So that's why we take the 2 as a factor. When the number is even, we will take 2 as a prime factor. Next, we have to find the factor of 28. 28 is also the even number. So take a 2 as a factor. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So we will have 14 here. Again 14 is the composite number and even number 2. So we will take 2 as a factor. 2 sevens are 40. We do like this. Okay, 2 sevens are 40. 7 is the prime number. So we have, it is self-divisible. So we have only one factor, 7. 7 ones are 7. So in this way we find the prime factorization by using division method. So this is the division method. Let's draw the factors tree. So this is the factor tree. We fill these boxes and circles. So here in circle we write the factors. And here we write the multiple. So here we have to find the factor tree for the 84. So first factor is a 2, that is given here. Divide 84 by the 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. We will have 42 here. 42 is the composite number and even number also. So take a 2 as a factor. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. Then 21 is the composite number. So we find the factor of 21. 3 sevens are 21. Now lastly 3 and 7 are the prime number, so we can't find the factor of 7. Okay, so the factorization of 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So in this way we find the factors in a factor tree. And in this way we draw the factor tree of the numbers. So this is the last topic of this lesson. I hope you all understood multiples and factor. Thank you.